Oh shit, no, restart.
Thank you.
Done?
Yes.
Hi everybody, my name is David Causi. I'm Italian, live in Dubai from 6 years, and I work in the finance business. Every time that I buy one property, for me it's important to create as a unique property. So renovation is a key part of the project and of the business idea. Every time we buy a property, we bring Centerstone in from early beginning. We visit the apartment, they bring their designer, and we discuss about the best solution in terms of layout, spacing, and the output of the project. Every project is unique, but in general, the changes are focused on the kitchen and on the bathroom. The bathroom is one of the key elements. And the kitchen, normally we open the kitchen, we make an island that give a completely different look to the apartment. Timing of the project is a key factor. In Dubai, there are several companies that promise you everything, but then they extend the duration for a very long time. Centerstone has been always on time. In general, for one property, one bedroom, we took a couple of months, and this is extremely professional for me. After speaking about timing, quality is the next important part. Quality, deliverable, alignment. Every evening we have an alignment with them to follow the project. We visit the property on a regular basis to ensure that we are going in the right direction according to the output of the project. Experience is great because they understand me, they understand what I want, they are on time, they suggest the best quality, and definitely is someone that I recommend 100% in Dubai. I have my personal property in Dubai, I have several properties for a business in Dubai. I always use Centerstone, we always work together. Definitely is a confirmation that I trust them and I recommend them.